Hey, YouTube modeling community. I'm doing a quick response video here to Bryan at BG's model workshop and Bryan over at the Drydock. Because they both had some questions. Bryan at BG asked, how does everyone organize their stash of kits? And I don't really have a stash of kits, but I just put them on this set of shelves however they'll fit as far as the plastic ones go. And my wooden models all sit under this section of my big workbench. And anything that I'm like working on at any given point sits on top of either of the workbenches or over there in that little corner. And as far as my leftover parts go, to answer Bryan at the Drydock's question, I keep all of my parts in stuff like this from Harbor Freight. That's decals. This is mostly engine stuff and a little bit of suspension. I got this out of a storage room in my house. We weren't using it for anything else. It cleaned up nice, and then I just started putting parts in it. And got more parts in there. And everything in these is labeled and organized and whatever. These are from Harbor Freight. They're not that expensive. A couple bucks, probably 15 each, I would think, or at least that's what they used to be, I believe. I'm not exactly sure, but that's how I do it. That's how I organize my leftovers. I have a big box full of tires back there. And that's really all there is to it. Nothing super elaborate, but it does the job extremely well, and if I need to find anything, somebody can ask me. If I have a set of shocks, I can get a set of shocks, or if one of my buddies in the area who builds models needs valve covers for a small block Chevy, or they need carburetors for something, I can reach in here and I can tell them what I have. That's why I organize all my parts that way. And the stash, like I said, not big enough to really have an elaborate system, but this shelf does the job very well. So that's going to do it for this video, and I hope this answers any questions anybody might have had. If somebody was looking for ideas for parts, maybe this will help you out. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.